Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to another recipe. So today I want to show you a quick and easy recipe for a breakfast. If you're stuck for a quick idea or you need to get out the door quickly, then this is ideal for you. So this has actually come about because a lot of my friends have recently watched the new Netflix show, The Game Changers. So this is focused on the vegan athletes and the improved health and vitality and energy that they have once they start a plant-based diet, and especially a whole food plant-based diet too. So a lot of people are watching this movie and then they're stuck for ideas on what to actually eat and what recipes to use. So here's just a very quick and easy recipe idea that you can make for you, for your family, for your friends, and just get it into your body, get some good nutrition and get out the door. So to get started, I've actually got just half a banana today, but you could put one banana, two bananas, however many you like, or even try some other fruit. You might like mango or cherries or berries. Totally up to you, just whatever fruits you like. And then I like to sweeten it a little bit too with some dates. So I've just got, they're stuck together, 2 or 3 small dates. The quantities don't really matter, just grab whatever you have on hand and use it. And then that's going into my little Tri-Best blender that I like to use. And then to this, I'm going to add some almond milk. I've got unsweetened almond milk. And you can use any plant-based milk that you like. So probably about a cup to a cup and a half's worth there. And then I like to add natural hazelnut flavor. It just adds a really delicious flavor that I enjoy, but you could use vanilla extract or just leave it out altogether if you don't want anything in there. So that's going in. Then I've also got some chia seeds. These are just power packed, full of nutrition, and they have really good omegas in there as well, so great for the brain function. So I'm just pouring in maybe about a tablespoon's worth. So this is really good if you want to thicken your smoothies. Just put the chia seeds in there and blend them, or even soak them in the almond milk overnight and you'll get a gel. You could even mix that with some fruit and you have a chia pudding for your breakfast. So lots of ideas that you can use to have a quick breakfast that's healthy. Okay, now to this I'm also adding about 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons worth of peanut butter. And if you have nut allergies, just leave this out. You could use soy milk, you can use coconut milk, and then maybe use some hemp seeds instead. Just get creative with whatever you like to eat and whatever you have on hand as well. And then this is ready to blend up. Just put your lid on. If you want it to be a little bit more healthy, you could even add some spinach leaves to this or some protein powder. If you're training and working out, then add your favorite vegan protein powder, especially a vanilla one would be really delicious in here, or chocolate if you prefer a chocolate flavor. And then give this a blend up. So this has been blending for about a minute or so and it's very creamy, looks absolutely delicious. Smells delicious with the peanut butter and the hazelnut, and it's just a quick and easy breakfast. And if you wanted to, if this is too light for you or you need something more for your breakfast, you're just used to eating more food, then why not make this into a beautiful oatmeal or porridge and use it with oats. It'll be more filling, it'll add even more fiber, and it'll be absolutely delicious. So use this as a pre-workout drink, post-workout drink, or just as a delicious breakfast, or as a ramped up milk, like I said, for your oatmeal. And give it a try. Let me know what you think. Cheers and have a great breakfast. Yummy. So if you're stuck for recipe ideas and you'd like more simple ideas like this, remember I have a range of cookbooks. They're all based on my premise of vegan made easy. That's my motto. I like to get in and out of the kitchen very, very quickly with delicious, healthy, plant-based food. So check those out if you like. The links are below, or check out my website at CookingWithPlants.com for loads and loads of free recipes to get you started on your health journey. Bye for now.